Local media claims that, in Energodar, the car of Russian-appointed head of administration Alexander Volga was shot. It's claimed that he was taken away in an ambulance with gunshot wounds. This is the latest attack on Ukrainian traitors which work for Russian occupiers. Very clear video of truck hit. While the Russians are bombarding Ukrainian cities, unable to achieve any military progress on the battlefield, Ukrainian troops have liberated the town of Arkhangelsk, Kherson region.
Архангельське. 7 місяців важкої роботи принесло успіх і звільнення території.
This is how Ukrainian troops achieve precision artillery strikes. The Excalibur 155mm shell is being wirelessly programmed to hit a GPS target. The Excalibur has changed the complexion of the battlefield by delivering pinpoint accuracy against high-value Russian targets. Lutsk met the fallen heroes on their knees. This is how gratitude and respect look like. They say eternal glory to the heroes of Ukraine.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.